Electric dipole. What is a dipole? Di means two, pole, charges, two charges. So a system of two equal and opposite charges which are separated by some finite distance is called as electric dipole. Here two electric charges of electric dipoles, that is this plus q and minus q, these are separated by a distance of 2a. The electric dipole moment, which is given by P, can be defined as Q into 2a. The SI unit of this electric dipole is coulomb meter, and this electric dipole is a vector quantity, as you see here. It's a vector quantity, and the direction is from negative charge to positive charge. The net electric charge here is 0, but the electric field is not 0. Electric charge is 0 because minus q and plus q, they together add to 0, but the electric field is not 0. Why? Because the positions are different. They are separated by a certain distance. And if you have charge q, it tends to infinite. If the charge is infinite, then what happens? If the charge is infinite, then just see, q is given by p by 2a. So if charge is infinite, that means this 2a has to be 0. Okay, so what in this relation, the electric dipole then will be called as not a dipole but a point dipole. So what is the electric field of a dipole? As we discussed, the electric field will not be 0. In order to find the electric field due to this electric dipole, which is in some coordinate system, say the dipole coincides with z-axis, let us assume that this coincides, and the origin of system coincide with the center of dipole. The center of the dipole, the origin coincides with this, and the separation between them is plus q and minus q is, say it is 2a. So we will try to find out the electric field at the point on the axis, also the point on the equator of a dipole.